Welcome back to the channel. These are my new Fidget anxiety rings from Alextina store on Amazon. They came in a box of 3 and with different designs or finishes. I have the star and moon design in silver. Now in this 3-pack, it does come with a gold one, and a rainbow color. Actually, I think this is rose gold. Very pretty. What I enjoy the most about these is that you look great wearing them. I love wearing rings, so it's stylish. And then also, just if you fidget a lot, which I do during work, I myself like playing around. The top part of the ring does turn. So if you see closer, it turns both ways, and they all do that. So the rose gold one and the rainbow one do that as well, whichever one you wear. Obviously, it's going to be a great little aid for anxiety without, pulling out a fidget spinner or some other sort of device that might look weird if you're in the workplace or at school. It's a good low-key fidget thing to have. These are made of stainless steel, so they're not going to tarnish. I wash my hands all the time, obviously with COVID and just being clean. And I use soap and water, and nothing tarnishes, nothing scratches too easily. Looks good. If you're a nail biter or skin picker, I know you might not want to admit it, but you could be, but this might help. You can look stylish while doing it too. Please be sure to check the description section below for more information, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.